Look at this. This snow is really deep. I was afraid I was going to go through, but I knew the river was here. Oh, the St. Regis River, just over the border in Montana. The rest area on I-90. I wanted to get close to it, but this snow, oh, I'd say it's 6, 8, 10 feet deep in places. But I just wanted to get a glimpse of the beautiful river, crystal clear water running through the mountains here. Snow and ice, so pretty. God's amazing creation. And it's snowing still. Crazy. It was dry and sunny in Idaho. You get over the border in Montana and it's a ton of snow here. But it's actually melting or starting to melt. It's like, see if I can get back without going through now. It's about 40 degrees here actually. Yeah, it's just about at least 6 feet deep here. If I went through, that wouldn't be good. Made it. Just a quick little video here to show you the river and the snow here in Montana. Trucking east on this beautiful day the Lord's made. Thanks for joining me, y'all. Find your adventure wherever God has you.